So today we're gonna show you how to make this beautiful pot of hearts. You can give it as a gift to someone, or you can use it in your own room as decoration.
Yeah.
So let's get started.
Yeah. The thing we're going to do is make hearts like these.
Cece's gonna make a small pink heart, and I'm gonna make a big blue one. Fold it in half and then sort of draw a heart. Okay, now we cut it up. Can you stitch it? Are you sure you can stitch it, Cece?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Super. Okay, so I've cut up my blue heart as well.
And then she's going to stitch it after.
And I'm gonna stitch it together as well.
You did a huge one.
Yeah, this is gonna be our center heart. Do you like stitching?
Do you guys like stitching? Cause I do.
Cece's finished stitching
Yeah,
her heart. She's just got this little bit.
Yeah, you have to leave so then you can put your cotton, of course.
Yep.
You want yours to be squishy.
And I'm gonna continue stitching my heart while Cece's doing hers.
So now I'm done. All I have to do is stitch it and close it up.
Careful, not turn my arm.
I know, Mommy. I'm an excellent stitcher.
We're gonna stick on this white ribbon, and then we're gonna stick on this glitter C for the first letter of Celine's name. So once you stick this on, it is a good idea to stitch on as well,
But I don't want
just to secure it. So we've got a special guest joining us. It's Celine's new little puppy. He's called Dottie, and she got him from her friend's birthday party. So would you like to tell us a little bit about him, Cece?
Sure. His birthday is on May.
We're gonna stick. Do you like it, Dottie? Now we're gonna stick the C on. Do you want to do the honors?
He said yes. Puppy, where'd you think we should put it? Here.
C's like this.
So, here.
Right in the middle. We're gonna pop them in like this, so that each heart is on a stem.
Because we don't want them without stems, do we? No. So now we're going to put the ribbons on our sticks just to give them more like a beautiful look, right, Mom?
Just a bit of ribbon, and then we just wrap it around the stick like this. Look.
And it's easy to get out. Look.
And then you just make it into a little bow. We're gonna prep our box. This is where we're gonna put all the hearts in. Need the box to be a bit heavy on the bottom, just so that it doesn't topple over later on when we put the flowers in. So we're gonna put a bit of clay inside it.
Oh, can I?
Yeah, you can. That's your job. I'm gonna give you more pieces.
You have to be so fast before the clay dries. Right, Mom?
Okay. So we finished putting the clay on the bottom. Now we're gonna lay on some
Miss
styrofoam. Just put it in. Really nice. And now Cece's gonna be putting them into the box. But before we put them in the box, we're
We
gonna
put
put
some confettis.
We've got something confetti. We're gonna put it right here.
And then we're going to start sticking them in. Da-da-dun, da-da-dun. This is hard, honey.
Now we're gonna put the ribbon on Celine and make her into a present. Yeah, should we make you into a present? So we need to tie this around here.
And just, tie it up and when we're done. Right, Mom?
So once you've got the ribbon secured, now we just cut a little piece of paper
Yeah.
so we can write a nice message on it.
Yeah, saying, which is easy.
A little hole here.
Which is just easy peasy. And there you go.
you take the little bit of string.
Yeah, and then you just tie it up. Easy
And
peasy, lemon
Cece is
squeezy.
going to write a message. Just attach it here.
Nothing else to do.
And there you go.
There you go, you finished all of them.
So we finished with this. We hope you like it.
We hope you like it.
If you do, please give us a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and join us on Facebook and Instagram. See you next time with another craft. Bye!
Bye.